Hey everyone, this is Edwin with Shirt Stay Plus, and I want to thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is going to be a video tutorial on our Shirt Stay Plus Ys. So the Shirt Stay Plus Ys, they come with two straps, one for the right side, one for the left side. The Y part attaches to your shirt tail. You have the adjuster, and then you have a clip that attaches to your sock. To get the shirt stays on your shirt, you can do it where you have your shirt on. Just kind of clip them on each side. You can have your shirt laying down on a bed, on a couch, and you can adjust the shirt stays wherever you need them. Now, the shirt stay clips hold great with any socks that you wear. However, we at Shirt Stay Plus design the grip clip socks. These socks have a specific square opening designed for our Shirt Stay Plus clips. So now that your shirt stays are on your shirt, you want to take the clip and attach it to your sock. It's going to look like this. Go to the other side, take the clip, attach it to the sock, and it looks just like this. You want to make sure to adjust it to your desired length. Now, once the shirt stays are fully on, you want to make sure that there's enough tension on your shirt, and that's going to help keep your shirt tucked in. You then want to put on your pants, and your shirt stays are going to be ready to go, keeping your shirt tucked in all day. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, shoot us a message, and we'll make sure to respond.